Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Emoji Slider. So basically what this is, it's basically where you can vote on Instagram. It's a new feature they added and I think it's really cool. So basically what you want to do is go to your profile, tap on your profile, like your story, tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you see brought to take a picture. So once you take your picture, I know it's a little dusty, this is my Apple TV remote, so I'll take a picture of it, and then you want to tap on the emoji on top where it's highlighted, tap on it, and then right here next two polls on the right is the emoji slider. So basically you can ask a question. So for example, I'm going to say, do you like my Apple TV remote? It can be any question, remote, and then basically this is how much you like it. So the furthest to the right is the more they like it, or the more they love it, and then further to the left is the less they like it or less they love it. And also what's cool is you can change the emoji. So if you ask like a funny question, you can just change the emoji to like a laughing face. So the more they go to the right, the more they think it's funny. The less they go to the right, less they think it's funny. They think it's like a little funny or averagely funny. They're just, I guess, be in the middle somewhere. So also if they get mad, then you use different emojis for different things. And also what's great is you can customize the color. So you just tap on the A on top, and you can change that, and you can change down here. So I think black looks pretty cool, but they all look pretty cool. Orange looks cool, green looks cool. So press done. Now press done on top, and then you can tap on send to, and you also can move this around. So like let's say it's blocking, you can put it down here and then send to, and I'm just going to add share to my stories. Tap on share and then tap on done, and now it's on your story. So it's also cool when you tap on your story, you can vote. So hold it over. It doesn't seem, oh, it's still uploading, that's why. So there you go, you can vote. So I really love it, so I'm gonna hold it all the way to the right, let go, and there you go. Since it's the first vote, that's the average answer. And it's also pretty cool when you tap on it, you can see like on the bottom left, it will show how much people saw this, and it shows you like the people who saw this. So I think that's pretty cool too. So if you keep saying uploading, just all you want to do is refresh it and then keep going back to it and it will load. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.